morning, class. So today what we're going to learn about are context clues. And Ashley, can you read our objective, please?
Use context clues to find the meaning of context-specific vocabulary words by evaluating the word in a sentence and looking for specific clues in the sentence that might reveal the unknown word by completing the exit slip.
Okay, so this is what we're going to do today, you guys. We're going to learn about how to decipher unknown vocabulary words in the text by using context clues, the clues around it. So this is what context clues are. Context and clues, a method by which the meaning of unknown words may be obtained by examining the parts of the sentence surrounding the word for definition, explanation, clues, restatement, synonym clues, contrast, antonym clues, and inference, general context clues. So that's what we do. All of you guys are reading certain books in your literature class, and when you come across a word that you do not understand, one of the best ways to try and figure out what that word means is by using context clues. So let's say, for example, you didn't know what bipolar disorder was, right? You would use the context clues around it. Mama, can you read the sentence, please?
This is in the what?
Psychology.
Psychology. She was studying the
Psychotic.
function of people who have been diagnosed with bipolar disorder.
So, for example, what are some context clues that would help you figure out what bipolar disorder meant in the sentence? Is there anything? Ashley, thank you.
Psychotic and psychology
That's right.
and functions
That's right.
and diagnose.
That's right. So all of these words have something to do with the unknown word, right? The unknown word, bipolar disorder. So if we were trying to figure out what bipolar disorder was, for example, we could just look around the context and see, okay, well, diagnosed, psychotic functions, psychology. This might have something to do with, let's see, what's your best guess? Keyshawn, what's your best guess? Somebody that's slow? Okay. So do we know what the word psychotic means? Have you ever heard that word in the English language, psychotic? Crazy, right? For lack of better terms, yeah. So actually you're funny. So psychotic has, using and understanding the term psychotic functions and linking that with bipolar disorder, do you think that bipolar disorder could be some kind of mental disease? Yeah, that's what it is. It is a mental disorder, a mental disease. Okay, so let's move on. And I'm going to go ahead and flash up the meaning of context clues and what that is. And then we're going to do one together. Okay, we're going to do the context clues worksheet together. I'm going to pass this out. And make sure to put your name on it and today's date. And then before you guys practice on your own, we'll do this together. So I showed you how to do one. We're going to do one together. And then you guys are going to practice on your own, okay? Or with the help of your classmates. All right, so context clues. Let's read this. Context clues are words in the sentence that help you figure out the meaning of a difficult word that you don't know. For each underlined word, use the context clues or words that surround it to find the meaning. Here's an example. I was really, really hungry, and the pear I ate did not appease my hunger. So if we have the word appease underlined, what are some words in that sentence that can help us figure out what appease meant? Keyshawn.
It did not.
So if the word appease is underlined, right? That's the word that we're trying to figure out what it is. What are other words in this sentence that could help us?
Hungry.
Right, right. So we know that appease has something to do with hunger. Like I ate an apple pear, but it did not appease my hunger, right? It didn't make my hunger go away. I wasn't filled.